lovely people, I hope you guys are doing really great. Personally, I'm doing fine. I wanted to post the video about the tattoo that I got this week, but I couldn't because I still need to heal completely to be able to show you. Currently it's just crusty, it's not nice, but I decided to film a reset routine for you guys, something I'm doing every week to just have a clean slate and start over. And yeah, this is what we're going to do today. I am really excited. Uni starts again on Monday and I can't wait. I've been out of uni for a year. I took a gap year, if you guys didn't know. But yeah, I'm pretty excited. So without further ado, let's just get started. But I'm really excited. I hope you guys like the video and I'll see you at the end. I am going to get some food, or to prepare some food, because it's currently 1 p.m. and the last time I ate was around 8:30, 9, something like that. So yeah, I am very hungry. We are going to do that, and in 30 minutes I'm going to take that off, finish my skincare and move on. So yeah. I am currently making the rest of what I ate yesterday. I didn't want to cook really, so I'm just having beans with some chicken, and I might add some rice. I don't know, because I'm not really hungry. So I mean, I'm hungry, but not to the point where I think I could eat that much. So I guess we'll see if I'm still hungry afterwards. Might make some grilled cheese, we'll see. But yeah, I'm going to cook that and then watch some Buffy the Vampire Slayer. I'm watching the TV show for like the 6th time, 7th time, I don't know, but this TV show is golden. So yeah, we're going to do that and I'll be right back. Yeah, I don't need to show the internet that, just no. So I'm currently waiting for my bed sheets to get ready because it's currently in the washer. So yeah, I can't do really anything. But there's my little baby, 1 of 3. No? Okay. Anyways, as you guys can probably tell if you know how to read a calendar, fall is here, and for those of you who know me, you probably know that fall is one of my favorite season. I'm searching for the word. So yesterday I went on a little trip to buy some decoration for my room, because currently it's pretty spring and summer vibes, so I want to change that. I'm not going to take this thing down because it's way too big, but I am going to show you what I got, and I'm going to install everything today because I have nothing better to do until my sheets are cleaned. So let's start with the basics. So first of all, what I got were 3 vines, basically like this. These are autumn colored, wait, no. Fall themed colored leaves? One of the two. Well, you get what I mean. And I'm going to wrap them around my curtains. Well, the string of my curtains. So yeah, first thing, so I got 3 of these. Wait, the 3rd one is here. My mom doesn't know that I'm doing this, and if she knew, she would probably kill me because she thinks those things are totally useless, and they probably are, we're not gonna lie, but they're pretty cool. So the last few things that I got, and it's not everything because I still need to go to IKEA to buy a couple of things, but I bought some little decorations. Then I saw this and was like, I need one of those, but I didn't know what color to get. So my best friend basically chose for me because I can't make decisions for my life. I just can't. You're tired. You're tired. You've been sleeping all day. She shouldn't be on my mattress because getting the hair out of this is going to be hell. Anyways, yeah, I got this pumpkin. Last but not least, and I'm probably going to go back to grab some more because it's just way too cute. I bought a mushroom. So yeah, I am going, my plan is basically to buy wood plates and to place them on it with a candle in the middle, but I still need to find a candle that actually smells like fall, and a pretty big one. I want one with like 4 lighters. So yeah, what we're going to do now is take the ropes that I bought and place them. I don't know if it's going to be enough. If not, I'm going back tomorrow to buy probably one more. I think I have enough, but I'm not sure. Basically what I'm doing now, it's currently 7, almost 8 in the evening. What I'm doing is just going through some website because if you guys couldn't tell, I'm redecorating all my room, like making it all over. But yeah, I'm just searching on a couple of different websites the furniture that is still missing. For example, my desk chair is something that I need to change, and I'm still searching for a good one. I might found one, but I don't know. Well, I guess we'll see. I might go to IKEA tomorrow, but for now I'm still going to search a little bit, and afterwards I am just going to watch some TV show, answer some emails, and yeah, probably will go to sleep afterwards. I guess we'll see. Finally, that was it for the night. I just spent the rest of the night in bed with my cats and watched some TV show. This is something that I usually do, like get everything in order and clean my room, clean everything, and just take time to start over and have a fresh week. So yeah, I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It would really mean the world to me. And to subscribe, and I guess I'll see you in next week's video. Bye!